Okay, you got a Jimmy wheel and you want to join the solar panel to the control box. So here we're looking at a 20 watt solar panel, two 10 watts wired up in series together. Junction box here. I've already taken the screws off. You should get it pre-terminated like this. You've got a black in one, a red in the other, and a black and red joined together in the blue. So if you've got your cable coming out of your Jimmy wheel control box, you want to put it through that gland and join the red to the red and the blue, or the black to the black. And this middle one, we just leave that as it is. Then you should see 24 plus volts on your solar controller in your battery box. Leave this to the last item. Don't do this before everything else. Join your battery, get your motor going, etc. Make this the last thing that you do on the day. Good luck.